Okay, did I come back? Am I back? I'll give it time to notify everybody. Let's see. No. All right, let's see if I can refresh. See if I'm back. All right, it looks like people are maybe coming back. So, there's only one possible explanation for that. Mark Zuckerberg himself is watching my videos. And he heard me badmouth Facebook. That's the only possible answer. I mean, there is no other explanation for that, right? I know. I'm pretty certain he shut us down. So, when last we met, I was getting ready to stamp this sentiment using my Stamparatus. And the sentiment is from Pretty Pumpkins, and I'm going to go fast before everyone's waiting. Keep coming, keep coming. They're coming back. Hopefully they'll get back in. I'm pretty sure that's it. He's watching my videos. I feel so honored. I feel honored. All right. That was actually a little funny. I have no idea what just happened there, y'all. I mean, truly, I have no idea. No. Because nothing's happening. The only other possible, it's karma. You cannot badmouth Zuckerberg because he's listening. Truly listening. Oh my God. It's killing me, man. Okay, now with my sentiment, I'm going to take this, my favorite leaf stamp, really like in ever, maybe. I don't know, it's really cool. I'm going to ink it in Bumblebee and then stamp it off once. I'm going to do that again because I was busy laughing at myself. All right, stamp it off once and then stamp it right over the top of the sentiment like so. And while I've got it out, why don't I go ahead and stamp the front and the flap of my envelope. I have a very vanilla envelope. I know, I put your name on it. I don't know how he discovered that it was me. And I'm using full strength. I only stamped it off because it was going over a sentiment. So on the envelope flap and on the front, I'm going full strength. Just like that. Okay. Perfect. I'll take it, Alex, for $1,000. And then we're going to adhere this on, come on, seal. I hate two-part videos. I do, I hate them. Because it makes it so hard. All right, and we'll just mark. There's a reason people don't like you, Mark. I'm just throwing it out there, buddy. Thanks, Shirley. Don't let her fool you, people. That was her special gift. I told her not to. I told her it was rude, and she did it anyway. So, you know. Okay. And then we'll put some more on there. It's just being obtuse tonight. Finny, did I tell you Finny had fun? He had a really good time. A lot of people petted him. He got a little hot, but we had his water bottle and I had him some cookies. And so he was able to have his lunch bone and see all the people. And there were some kitties that he really, really wanted to go see. And I went and drove with one of my friends and he stayed with her husband. And apparently he cried a little bit because he wanted his mom. But I came back, so it was a good lesson. Okay, and y'all, that's it. I'm sorry it took 2 videos to get it done, but I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get the combination of the Detailed Pumpkins bundle and the Gorgeous Leaves bundle. Get them, have them, keep them forever. And don't forget the beautiful knit together stamp set, which just made that real pretty textural background that was kind of perfect with Tasteful Textiles, even if I'm, having to say it myself. Oh, please. Oh, please. You are so not the good one. All right, folks, I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you on Thursday, which, is that October? Nope, it'll be the last day of September. Thursday is the last day of celebration. Don't miss out if you had free things you wanted, or if you want to get that extra free bundle when you join the team. Please join the team. Buy a starter kit. No commitment, no obligation. 20% discount and an extra free bundle on top of your $125. Somebody tell me why that's a bad idea. I mean, somebody. All right? And I think that is all. I appreciate you sticking around to come back when Mark let me back on after smacking me. And we'll see you next week, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.